Today I want to show you how to use one job offer to get another job offer, and here's what I mean by that. Have you ever received a job offer but not from the company you wanted? I mean, maybe you've been interviewing for a while and then all of a sudden, you get an offer, but you're still interviewing with another company, which is where you really want to be. I mean, this scenario, it happens all the time. And in cases like this, you can use your active job offer as leverage to try and force the other company to give you the offer. Now, this technique works really well, but you still need to play it with caution so you don't anger or insult the people at the company where you really want to be. And here's how to play it smart. If you really have another offer on the table, which you should, and you want to use that as leverage to make the other company move just a little bit faster, then call them up and explain your dilemma. Tell them you have another offer on the table, but you'd rather work for them because, and just fill in the blank from there. I mean, you need to explain your reasons for why you want to work there versus somewhere else, but keep it short and simple. Now, here's 3 possible responses that you could hear back from them. One, they might say, well, okay, thanks for letting us know. We'll consider that. So kind of a non-response. So the second thing they might say is, hey, we're very pleased with what we've seen from you so far. And though we're not exactly ready, but we're going to go ahead and extend an offer to you anyways because we don't want to lose out on you. That's ideal. That's what you want to hear. Now, the third thing they might say is, you know what? We're not ready yet. So you might want to consider the other offer. And if they say that, now you're in a real tricky spot. And if you really do have another offer on the table, take it. But if you don't, now you have nothing. And you can't move forward with the job that you really want, when they're ready to make a hiring decision. Now, this technique is a great way to get employers to budge who are slow to make an offer to you. So you want to consider all the angles before you do anything, because one wrong move could totally cost you the job opportunity. Now, if you're in a similar position and you'd like my professional advice on how to handle your situation and negotiate a higher salary, then we can meet up on Skype and I'll help you figure out your best course of action. So here's a link that explains how coaching works. And it's just jobinterviewtools.com/HPC. And there's a little video there that'll tell you, some of the things that we'll do on the call. And we can, talk through all of the possible scenarios and, help you come out with the job that you want. That's really what this program is all about. So that's really all I have for you today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate it. And if you want to get notified every time I release a new video, please subscribe. All right, my friend, that's all I have for you. We'll see you in the next video. Good luck on your next interview. Bye-bye now.